Look at him. Look around you. This golden light nourishes every tree, just as our commitment nurtured.
The frame is filled with an extreme close-up of a single, delicate custard apple flower. Every intricate This scene presents the magic of growth through a beautifully executed time-lapse sequence.
These ones need a few more days in the sun.
Yes, let's check them again on Friday.
The orchard breathes, a living entity stirred by the morning wind, ready to offer up its generous, perfect bounty.
A final jewel of morning dew, the last touch of nature's grace before the moment of harvest finally arrives.
These are the final instructions before we begin. Remember, quality is our promise. Ensure every harvest meets the standard we discussed.
Cold chain begins. A massive, refrigerated truck stands ready to protect the fruit's freshness on its journey.
The harvest begins with a single, gentle cut, a respectful separation, the first step on a carefully managed journey. Each fruit is a delicate treasure. Placed gently into padded crates, its perfect form is protected from the start.
Only the best will continue. Diligent sorting at the source ensures that even the smallest imperfection is removed.
A landscape of flavor, a complex, geometric pattern designed by nature, promising the unique taste held safely within.
Expertise is not just knowing what to do, but ensuring it is done right, every time, by every hand.
Every crate is weighed and recorded, a precise accounting that tracks the bounty from the orchard to the world.
The first leg of the journey begins. A rhythmic and productive flow, moving the harvest from the tree to truck.
Teamwork in perfect rhythm, a coordinated, energetic effort to load the precious cargo quickly and safely into the cold.
The environment is now controlled. A precisely chilled interior that preserves the fruit's just-picked freshness for the journey. Leaving the tranquil orchard behind, the truck carries more than just fruit. It carries a commitment to quality.
The journey unfolds across a scenic landscape, a bridge between the purity of the country and the city's precision.
The destination is in sight. A modern facility where nature's bounty will be transformed with
Entry is granted, a transition into a world of controlled environments, security, and the highest standards of production.
arrival at the processing facility. A seamless transition from the open road to the controlled environment of the bay.
The cold chain is unbroken. From the chilled truck, the fruit is swiftly moved, its freshness meticulously preserved.
The first inspection. Before anything proceeds, every shipment is assessed, ensuring the promise of quality has been kept. Data is the ultimate confirmation. The internal temperature is checked, verifying that the cold chain was never compromised.
Temperature stable, ripeness perfect. The shipment is approved, and the transformation from fruit to dessert can now begin.
The first step of transformation. The fruit enters the line, beginning its journey through a state-of-the-art cleaning process.
The first stage of cleaning is dry. Powerful jets of purified air remove any dust or leaves from the orchard.
Next, a powerful wash. High-pressure water sprays ensure that every single fruit is immaculately clean and refreshed.
A gentle yet thorough bubble wash. The final cleansing step, ensuring purity in a gentle, carefully controlled environment.
Purity levels are optimal. Constant testing of the water ensures that the cleaning process itself is immaculately clean.
A final, sanitizing rinse.
Consistency is key. An automated grading machine sorts each fruit by size, the first step in creating a uniform product.
Excellent. The sorting is flawless, the result of a perfectly calibrated system overseen by a meticulous human eye.
With the sorting approved, the pace quickens. The perfectly prepared fruit now moves swiftly on to the next stage.
Order from chaos. A gentle mechanism aligns each fruit, preparing them for the precision required in the next stage.
Every surface, every second. Hygiene is not a step. It's the entire foundation of our promise of purity.
The preparation is precise and automated. A small, sharp blade cleanly removes the stem, the first step in deconstruction.
Automation is verified by the human eye. A final visual inspection ensures that every single fruit is absolutely perfect.
The fruits are now grouped into precise batches.
Preparation is complete. Now, the journey continues towards the heart of the factory, where the transformation truly begins. A dramatic transformation. In an instant, the whole fruit becomes the pristine, creamy pulp, the pure essence of flavor.
The peeling process is fast and efficient. A specialized machine quickly separates the skin from the valuable pulp inside.
For the few that need it, a human touch provides the final perfect peel. A blend of automation and craftsmanship.
The reveal. Beneath the protective green skin lies the treasure.
Within the creamy flesh, nature has placed its seeds. Glossy, black.
Separation is a graceful, fluid motion. A specialized tool cleanly scoops the pulp, leaving only the empty skin behind.
The deseeding process is meticulous and patient. Every single seed is removed by hand, ensuring absolute purity of the pulp.
For speed and scale, technology assists. Inside the machine, a clever separation. The pulp passes through a fine sieve, while the seeds are cleanly diverted.
The result is purity. A steady stream of smooth, seedless pulp. Zero seeds. The separation is 100% effective. A final, microscopic check confirms the absolute purity of the pulp. Nothing is wasted. The seeds, rich in nutrients, are collected and returned to the earth as valuable organic compost.
The scale of production is immense. A vast tank fills with the pure pulp, ready for the final, delicious transformation.
The pulp is now perfected, a smooth, creamy, and pristine canvas.
To achieve a silky smooth texture, the pulp is passed through a fine filter, removing any remaining fibrous material.
Again, nothing is wasted. The collected fibers become a nutritious supplement for animal feed, completing another sustainable cycle.
The pure pulp is now rapidly chilled, a critical step to lock in freshness and prepare it for the next stage.
Before proceeding, another sample is taken. Automation ensures precision and sterility as the pulp is delivered for testing.
A crucial test for natural sweetness. The sugar level, or Brix, is measured to ensure perfect, consistent flavor.
Color is consistent. The batch is perfectly uniform. Another data point confirming the absolute quality of the pulp.
With all tests passed, the pulp is approved. Massive pipes transport the precious ingredient to the dessert processing area.
A new journey begins. Empty containers, perfectly clean and ready, move forward to receive the precious custard apple base.
The recipe begins with precision. The exact weight of pulp is measured, ensuring perfect consistency in every single batch.
A touch of sweetness is added.
Ratios are exact. The base will be perfect. Digital precision is cross-referenced with physical gauges for total control.
The mixing begins. Powerful blades begin to turn, churning the ingredients into a perfectly smooth and homogeneous base.
The result of the churning is perfection. A completely smooth, homogeneous mixture.
The magic is in the balance. Sweetness, creaminess, and the pure fruit flavor, all held in perfect scientific harmony.
A gentle heating process begins. This crucial step pasteurizes the mixture, ensuring it is perfectly safe and stable. Every second of the process is monitored. A digital display tracks the temperature curve, ensuring a perfect, gentle pasteurization.
A subtle enhancement. Just a single drop of natural essence is added to elevate the fruit's inherent, delicious flavor.
The consistency is perfect, silky smooth. The final sensory check confirms the base is ready for the next stage.
The heating cycle is complete. With a final approval, the base is now ready to be cooled and transformed.
The cooled base now travels to its final destination. A network of pipes guides it towards different lines for different desserts.
The first transformation, ice cream. A specialized, high-capacity machine stands ready.
The churning begins. The creamy base is simultaneously frozen and mixed, creating the perfectly smooth texture of premium ice cream.
The second transformation, mousse. A high-speed whisk incorporates air, turning the same base into a light, fluffy, ethereal dessert. The third transformation, pudding. A thicker, richer version of the base is prepared, ready to be set into a classic dessert.
A final check for texture. The mousse is perfectly light and uniform, a cloud of flavor ready for the next step.
All bases meet our standards. 3 distinct textures, 1 standard of excellence. The lines are approved to proceed to molding.
The final vessels are prepared. A steady stream of clean, empty molds moves into position, ready for filling.
The standard is absolute purity. A final hygiene check confirms that every surface is immaculately clean and sterile.
We now enter the heart of creation, a transition into the cold.
The filling is a symphony of precision. A row of nozzles descends, filling each mold with the exact same amount. Perfect grid of future desserts. Each mold is filled with potential, now moving steadily towards the freezing cold.
Into the blast freezer. An instantaneous drop in temperature is the secret to creating the perfect, creamy, crystalline texture.
Inside, a storm of Arctic air. Ultra-cold air circulates at high speed.
On a microscopic level, tiny ice crystals form. This rapid freezing is the key to the smooth, non-icy texture.
The freezing curve is optimal. This ensures a smooth, creamy texture. Another process perfected through data and expertise.
Time and cold work their magic. In a matter of moments, the liquid base is transformed into a perfectly set dessert.
The transformation is complete. Emerging from the Arctic cold, the liquid base is now
The release is a moment of perfect precision. A robotic arm gently inverts the mold, revealing the flawless ice cream bars.
A final, high-tech inspection. A laser scanner measures every dimension, ensuring that each dessert is structurally perfect.
The pursuit of perfection is absolute. Even the tiniest imperfection is detected and instantly corrected with microscopic precision.
an army of perfection. The finished desserts are aligned, ready for packaging.
Fast freezing is the secret. It prevents large ice crystals, giving us that perfect creamy melt every single time.
A final stabilization. The desserts pass through a cooling tunnel, ensuring their core temperature is perfectly stable for packaging.
Perfectly stabilized and ready, the final product emerges, prepared for the last step on its journey, the packaging line.
The final journey begins. The perfect desserts now move towards the packaging line, ready to be sealed for freshness.
Packaging is as gentle as the harvest. A soft gripper handles each dessert with care, placing it safely into its container.
The product is sealed in an instant. A high-speed heat seal locks in freshness, ensuring perfect flavor and safety.
For ultimate freshness, a puff of nitrogen is injected, displacing the oxygen and preserving the dessert's perfect taste. The identity is applied. A colorful label, applied with flawless precision, gives the product its name and its story.
Every detail is important. High-speed printers add vital information, ensuring transparency and trust with every single product.
Traceability in every dot. The expiry date and batch code are printed, a crucial link in the chain of quality. Final digital check. The barcode is scanned, logging the finished product into the inventory system, ready for shipment.
Perfect from start to finish. The batch is released. The final seal of approval from the guardian of quality.
The final stage of packaging begins. A robotic arm works with tireless speed, boxing the products for shipment.
The final seal. Each carton is securely taped, protecting the products within, ready for their journey to the world.
Awaiting distribution. The finished products are moved into a vast cold storage warehouse, kept perfect until the last moment.
Every box is tracked. As the pallet is stored, the digital inventory is updated, a perfect record of every item. Ready for distribution. The products are loaded into another refrigerated truck, beginning the final leg of their journey. The product's journey continues. From our factory to the world, the promise of quality is delivered with care. From a flower in the sun to this, every step managed with care. This is our promise, delivered.
The final moment. The ultimate test of texture and taste. A spoonful of pure, creamy, delicious perfection. Perfect bite. A testament to the process, revealing a creamy, smooth interior. The culmination of our entire journey.
The result of our dedication. A complete family of desserts, each unique, yet all born from the same perfect fruit. From the perfect fruit to the perfect dessert, and back to the perfect fruit. The journey is a circle of quality.